This might just be the fastest collection video that I will do. This is my Wii U collection, if you didn't get that from the title and thumbnail. This could literally just be the thumbnail because I usually only put 3 games in the thumbnail. Guess how many games I have in my Wii U collection? It's also going to be quick because of my experience with these games is minimal. I don't even know if I can describe it as minimal. Yoshi's Woolly World. I have not played it. I really just got this game because I wanted to get Yarn Yoshi as an amiibo. I know I didn't have to. I could have probably gotten it separately, but my friend who owns the local game store, Contraband Retro Games, totally forgot about the name for a second. He hooked me up with the game and the amiibo. So shout out to him. But eventually I would like to play it. I have actually started to really get serious about more of my backlog since making the PS3 collection video. If you have not watched that, go watch that embarrassment, or probably don't. TLDR, TLDW. I haven't played the majority of my PS3 collection, and it's pretty big. This is not a very big collection. I haven't played any of these games, but I think this is top of my list for my Wii U collection. This is the bottom of the list. Smash 4. I have never played this to my knowledge, and I don't even really know why I got it. I didn't get my Wii U until like 2020 or 2021, and I just don't know if there's a real reason to go back to Smash for Wii U. Somebody's going to tell me there's a reason, but is there a real reason for me to go back? Probably not. I like Smash to an extent. I'm not good at it. And there's about 4 other Smash games that I'd rather play than this one. But yeah, anyways, the last game in my collection is Nintendo Land. I was recommended I get this game because it has a lot of fun multiplayer games. And I like to host little game nights for me and the boys. But we've never gotten around to playing Nintendo Land. Maybe the next time my friends come over, we play Nintendo Land and see what it's all about. But I've heard it's a good party game. I feel like it's basically just like a cooler Wii Play. But I mean, I'm sure if you're watching this video and you've had any experience at all with the Wii U, you probably know about this game. So yeah, I really don't have any hate for the Wii U. I think it's a really cool console, and I mostly use it as a Wii when I do use my Wii U, or a cool way to emulate old stuff. Like I've emulated DS games on there. That's pretty cool. And I have a hacked Wii U, so I put a lot of games on there, and it's really cool. And I actually bought before the shop shut down. I bought Metroid Prime Trilogy digitally for $20, like a few days before the Wii U eShop closed down. So it may have been a waste of money because after purchasing that, I learned that I'm not the biggest fan of Prime, but I do want to give Metroid Prime Trilogy, the whole trilogy, another shot. At least Metroid Prime Remastered another shot. I got like 11 hours into the game and then I just stopped playing because I got lost. And yeah, anyways, we're not talking about Metroid Prime. We're talking about the Wii U, and that is my entire collection. So if I just do this and take this still, I could make this my thumbnail. Maybe I'm gonna do that. Be the lazy, take the lazy route. Just put that over there. Oh wait, get the mic out of the shot. That's maybe I'll hold it. Maybe that's better. And there we go. There's our thumbnail. The batteries are like more than half off the edge. You can't even see it. It's cut off. But I'm surprised the batteries did not fall out because the edge of the table was here. They were only hanging on by this slip. Anyways, let me know which Wii U games I should pick up. I probably won't pick them up for a while because, again, after that PS3 video, I'm pretty ashamed and I'm slowing down on buying games for my collection because I actually want to play more of my backlog. More on that later, but that's it for this video. Peace.